Hi, my name's Scott. Today we are doing an unboxing show and tell of this pool cleaner. This is a cordless robotic cleaner. We're going to show you guys everything that you get inside the package. Okay, let's go ahead and go over everything that you get in the kit here. They give you your manual, as well as quick instruction guide, power supply. Make sure you go around the entire cleaner and take off these pieces of tape. I believe there should be 4, and they just simply peel right off. Now if you want to take it off, just go ahead and pull down on each of the 4 corners. This will allow you to get to the screen mesh where you can take off and you can clean it. So it's very easy access. That's one thing I like about this brand. Everything seems to be of high quality and not too stressful. It's always easy access. This is a very good brand. Now, of course, this is cordless. So all you do is you simply take this off and apart, bring this inside, and then you open up the flap right here and you charge the battery right here. Now, please keep in mind, after every use, make sure it's completely dried off the top here, just for your safety protection. Make sure it's completely dried off before you go ahead and plug it in. And then you just simply plug in the power cable, plug it into a wall outlet, and charge it up. Once you're done and it's fully charged, you can take this out and make sure you put the insert back inside. And if it doesn't go in, then turn it around the other way. Here's the power button. We might have to press and hold. There, so we saw a little light. There we go. Now it's on, and it's ready to be placed inside your pool. So it's ready, good to go. And just like this, as you can see, it says battery. Now, it says inspect, it says work. So the battery probably still needs charged up more. And to reserve power, it will automatically turn off. When it's actually cleaning, it will blink green right here. So we can go over the settings here. If it's blinking here, it means the battery power is normal. If it's red in the center, it means inspection, which red will be flashing, which means either it's dirty, the screen's dirty, or the wheel's blocked. But overall, you can find more information in your manual, but this is extremely high quality and very, very nice, my friends. We'll do an updated video once pool season is open.